through the gym. Oh, hello. Good rising to Mykonos. So it's going down here in the stairs. I think they just wash. Like this one. Oh, we're the fourth to the gym. Okay, so this is all the exercise machine. It's good, you need to watch yourself as you do exercise. So you see it, and there you see the time. Gosh, look how many different devices. I like the colors. It's like a rainbow here. This is like class. This is really equipped gym. I like those ones. Boing. Those balls are heavy. And here they have so many different weights. And took the middle one. So ripped, so ripped. I think I found another cool device. Let's try this one. I think you're supposed to put your feet here and then just pull it. Definitely how not to use it. Like this. Come on. And raise this belly, raise this belly, raise this belly. Come on. Oh, wow, nice. Go ahead, go ahead. Raise this belly, raise this belly. Look at his feet. Good job, you made 3.
This is exactly what you need to do. Jump.
Jump where?
On the trampoline.
Good job. He's snoring. Why is he snoring? This one looks like a dog toy. Here, Lana. Catch.
Let me try. Yeah. All right.
I did 20 minutes of workout.
20?
Maybe 10. I feel so fit. Look at those arms. Look at those arms. Not noodles at all. Yeah, I think it was an amazing workout. I'm tired and I'm done. Yeah, look. Can almost start to sweat. I don't sweat at all because it was like nothing. So easy. So easy. Okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna go out now for breakfast. That's what you do after you do a workout. Exercise device. So I always see this device like an execute. If it's accidentally fall on your head, then you... Please don't choke yourself. 1, 2, 3. Feeling good, Ella? Feeling good? Oh, this is a great angle of view. 3. 3.5. 6. 2 again. 4.5. Maybe you should put it back. Let's put it back.
Karin, show us how you pull the bar.
People are crazy. It's like 20 kilos. How can you pick it up? How can you pick it up? Why did they make it so heavy? Why did they make it?